Alright, we got the first bass of the day. Tiny little guy. Alright guys, he came back after I lost him that first time. Another little guy. Oh, my worm. Where are you? Barely hooked him. Pull that fish off. Look at that nice little. It's all about the angle. It's all about the angle.
You want me to do a full leak check on it?
Oh, no. Oh, nice. What was it on June bug? Get him, get him. What was that first fish here?
Largemouth.
Hoist him up. Nice. First fish here.
Oh. I guess they've grown in
Nice. First fish of this new pond to us. Alright, so we had to go to a new pond because we got chased out by 4 police cars. And one of them was a canine unit, so it kind of tells you it's a good spot for cops chasing you out. Now the cops are going to fish there since they know it's good.
They should.
Yeah.
I would.
Oh God, that's a nice one.
Recording?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, that would be.
Oh, yeah. That was a big one. Is it a medium-sized one? And a whole bunch of... Is there fish in there anymore? Oh, yeah, that's good. There you go.
He felt bigger. Still a nice guy.
Well, he's got 2 pounds of crap with him.
2-pounder.